I've got three nice, quite large items from 2005, I think it was. The one I was most excited with at the time was this one here, puzzle photo frames. It came in a box like that. What excited me about it was the price drop. Look at the original price up here, if I get it into focus. £10. Then they reduced it to £4.99. Oh, there's it getting into focus. And down a bit. There we are. And then they reduced it to £2, and then they reduced to £1, and that's when I struck and found it's half a dozen or which I bought a whole lot more. But from £10 there to £1 there is really quite a price break. Was it worthwhile? My golly, it was. I wish I'd taken a heart of it. Let me show you what it does. You have to make up a template first of all. That thing, one of those like that. You have to get your face in a photograph and fill the frame like that. So your photograph, normally a small thing the size of my hand, has got to be expanded up to that size. You cut them into 9 sections. You're going to lose a bit here, unfortunately. You can't help that. And the end result is, well, I'll show you in the box. There's me. And I'll get it. So the fun of it is, of course, this is a sliding block puzzle. So if I get my face there and drop my eyes down there, if I can get that to go down. Yeah. Oh, come on, fella. There we are. Oh, there we are. I'm getting muddled already. It does leave a vacant space at the beginning, so perhaps, well, I've lost a bit of my cheekbone, that's all I can say I've lost, but that was my face. It does lose some of the details. You must get the eyes in, of course. But the idea is that you can model these pieces up and then have a go and say, can you find out who this person is? Because when all the pieces are completely modeled up, it's very hard to recognize your friend's face with doing it. It made a wonderful action. And then just to cap it all, they provided it with a lovely frame with one of those things for standing it up with. So I'll set my face up again if I can remember how my face looks, something like that. I'm not sure what the last bit is there. I think I probably got this bit modelled up, but never mind. I think you're oh yes, well, yes, almost. Oh yes, there we are, that's about it. So the idea is to put the thing out like that and put it on your mantelpiece with your picture in shot like that, something like that. Very nicely done. So you can customize it to whoever you want and fill the frame there and then have a model up and have a great fun solving the sliding block puzzle. What a lovely idea. And £10 down to £1. That is something, isn't it? So that was a great find from 2005. The next one I think was possibly one I was given. I'm not sure I actually bought this, but it's one of these giant things which many people play lots of times. I've never actually, well, I've done it once. I've gone through it all. What you've got is you've got tiny bits of plastic looking like little tiny stones or something. And in them, you've got little recognizable pieces. Let's see if I can show some of the pieces that look to frame. There's something there which looks like a ribbon, I think it is. Yes, a bit of ribbon. Turn it around, see what else we can find. Oh, nothing else there. Oh, look, there's a feather there, a nice feather. The point is, you've got about, I don't know what that thing there is. The thing is, you've got about 50 items. Look at, show you the list to show how many things you've got to actually find. There's a lot of items there, and each one has got that little oval red thing, which is a place where you put your tick mark. You tick by tick by tick as you come and spot each piece. And it takes all afternoon to get some of them. So some of them are very obscure. They're deep inside it, and where they are, I couldn't say, oh, there's a flower there. I suddenly come into view. Look, I've got a flower. Let's see if I get that flower into view. Oops, shows it. No, come on, flower. And beneath it, an elastic band. Would you believe that was easy to find, wasn't it? Well, there are yes, there's lots and lots of things. And I think there's one occasion I took a few hours to. Oh, there's a button there. There's a button coming into view there. Look. There we are. There's a button. So a lot of fun and many hours, and you could just pick it up and put it aside and come back to it again and again and again. I probably did it over several days, but I did eventually get pretty well most of the 50, 40, 45, I think it was, items there. It's a good party game. And the last item is something which I'm looking forward to because I'm about to have breakfast. This is a wonderful idea. It's called Tic Tac Toast. There we are. That's what you make. Tic Tac Toast. Well, here's a lady serving it up like that. So I've got myself. This is the item you're given. One of these, plastic. Put it on a bit of bread. That's what I want my toast in. Put it on top like that. Squeeze it hard like that. It's not going to be visible very much when it's not yet cooked. But when I toast that, actually, those lines which are there might actually appear. Oh yes, you'll see them. They are good marks. And then you can have a bit of fun. Well, they're suggesting you should put bits of banana and the bacon with it and things, whatever it is. But anyway, I'm looking forward to my breakfast with Tic Tacs and see what I can invent by way of blobs of butter here and blobs of marmalade there is what I usually have. Do you like it?